This is a 360 video. It means that you can look in any direction by moving your finger on your phone or your mouse or your VR unit, and you will see what I saw in any direction. Usually with any camera you would have to look in the same direction that I'm pointing, but with 360 you can look in any direction. Try it on your phone, your computer, or with your VR and look in any direction to see what I am seeing. You may have to look at this video several times to pick up, because when you're looking in one direction you're missing stuff in another direction. Enjoy. Friends, this is the La Brea pitch lake, and I created a video in the normal view for this that gives a better explanation for the pitch lake. This is just a 360 view where I am recording the La Brea pitch lake from the dry part. Right now it is under a lot of water, so I could not go to the center of the pitch lake, but you can get a general idea of what the area is like, where you would park, where you would walk, and so forth. I will leave natural songs so you could hear. Feel free to like, subscribe, it's free, and share with your friends. Let them know about JB's Man Cave. Thanks so much for watching.